Did you know that Tesla, once the darling of the EV world, now has the lowest favorability ratings among potential EV buyers? And that's not all. Elon Musk's political leanings might be playing a bigger role in this shift than you'd expect. Stay tuned to learn more about this surprising trend and what it means for Tesla's future. Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is February 7th, 2025, and we've got some fascinating stories lined up for you. Links to all the stories we discuss can be found in the episode notes. Let's start with a surprising revelation from the EV Politics project. A recent survey of 600 potential electric vehicle buyers has shown that Tesla, along with its CEO Elon Musk, is facing a significant decline in favorability. In fact, Tesla now holds the worst favorability to unfavorability ratio among all EV brands surveyed. While competitors like Toyota, Ford, and Volkswagen enjoy much higher ratings, Tesla seems to be losing its shine, particularly among those most likely to purchase an EV next. What's driving this shift? Well, it appears that Musk's political activities and his alignment with far-right ideologies have alienated many of Tesla's traditional customers. Historically, Tesla buyers have leaned left politically and have been environmentally conscious. Musk's pivot toward right-wing politics has created a disconnect, leaving many feeling disillusioned. Interestingly, while Musk's popularity has grown among conservative voters, this group is less likely to support EVs or prioritize climate change, creating a paradox for Tesla. The study also highlights that even current EV drivers are expressing dissatisfaction with Musk, which could spell trouble for Tesla's future sales. With the company already facing challenges in maintaining its market position and launching more affordable models, this political divide could exacerbate its struggles. It's a fascinating case study in how public perception and political alignment can influence consumer behavior in the automotive market. Switching gears, let's talk about something more optimistic: Tesla's vehicle longevity. A new study has revealed that Tesla cars, including the upcoming Model Y Juniper, are expected to last an impressive 20 years on average. That's a lifespan that surpasses most traditional diesel and petrol cars. In terms of mileage, Tesla vehicles are projected to cover an average of 204,000 miles over their lifetime, outperforming even the most durable diesel vehicles. For comparison, diesel cars like Skoda typically last up to 17.4 years, but don't achieve the same mileage. Interestingly, while some petrol vehicles, such as Audis, may have a slightly longer lifespan of 20.9 years, they fall short in terms of total miles driven. However, it's not all smooth sailing for the EV industry. Researchers caution that the high cost of battery replacements could impact the perceived longevity of electric vehicles. To address this, there's a growing push for longer warranties on EV batteries. Companies like NIO and KL are advocating for warranties of up to 15 years, which could significantly enhance the resale value and market appeal of EVs. The study also underscores the importance of developing a robust circular economy for EV batteries. Without affordable battery replacement options, owners might discard their vehicles prematurely, skewing longevity comparisons with internal combustion engine cars. Overall, these findings highlight a major milestone for Tesla and the EV industry, showcasing how advancements in technology are reshaping consumer perceptions and market dynamics. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. From shifting public perceptions to groundbreaking advancements in EV longevity, it's clear that the electric vehicle industry is evolving in unexpected ways. Don't forget to check out the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.